What is up? It's a beautiful day, but it looks warmer than it is actually. I was expecting it to be not like hot, but I don't know. It's 16 degrees and I'm freezing with my sweater on. I don't know, I'm not built for this. I need like really hot weather. But I mean, next time I'm gonna be more prepared. I'm gonna wear a jacket or something. Eddie is just smelling everything. We're just enjoying life and just walk around aimlessly, exploring the city a little bit more. You guys, tell me this isn't a life. I got a pumpkin spice latte because I always see it on social media, and I thought, why not? It suits like the fall, even though there's like palm trees, but it's actually fall. And yeah, let's see how it tastes. So I still don't know if I had coffee before or if it was just tea that was infused with some coffee. I kind of have a feeling it was just tea, but I don't know. So I got another coffee this time. So I either have the biggest like heart palpitations in my life, or I just have a coffee now, a pumpkin spice latte. Actually the whipped cream is really nice. I understand that people would like this. Other than that, it's coffee. That's cool, it fits the vibe now. This is the craziest day because today I decided that I let Eddie choose where we're going, and I'm actually not using any Google Maps or anything like that. I'm just walking through the city aimlessly, kinda, because I'm just being guided by Eddie. And he brought me to a shop that had like all items from Nepal and like Tibet, and I got a bag with, you know, my favorite symbol and like my signature symbol, the infinity knot, and I also got a ring with a mantra on it. I don't know, I just wanted to buy something that I feel like I have a, you know, a memory saved for this day. And now I don't know where we're going. Let's see. Eddie, where are we going? Where are you bringing me now? Okay, next stop was a dog park. He brought me to a dog park, but there's no other dog here, and it's just like a desert, but he wanted to go here. So we might as well stay here for a bit and let him explore all the different smells. Yeah, let's see what's the next stop. I swear this is so much fun. I have no idea where I am. Every once in a while there are like some landmarks that I've seen before from walking around, but I wouldn't really know where I am. This looks actually pretty familiar over here, so maybe I know this place, but let's see. I take it back. I have no idea where I am. No freaking way. Guys, I'm not joking. I walked with Eddie through the whole city, I feel like, for over 2 hours. And he brought me to the other side of the park that we usually go. But we walked a way that we've never walked before. I have no idea how we managed to end up in this park. We're just on the other side of that park where we always are with all the dogs, you know, from my other videos. This is insane. Like I'm speechless, like for real. There is no way. Look guys, he's really like pulling me. I'm not guiding him in any shape or form. This is just insane. So after this eventful day, I got some takeout for like Chinese food, Cantonese food. I'm excited. some sweet and sour chicken, some spring rolls, some steamed rice, that's it. Eddie's also tired, but happy, I guess. That was a long morning walk.